make sure na yung reason mo to go and do something new, it can be different from going to another country or what, or moving to another country. Whatever it is that at your 40, you feel that it's a daunting task, make sure na mas matapang yung why, yung reason. Kasi yun talaga yung magpupush sa'yo. Pag marami kang hesitations, you will never be able to do it. But at the same time ako, medyo takot rin akong mag-fail nung bata-bata ako. Pero in my 40s, parang I am confident enough na when I start, I'm not starting from scratch. I'm starting based on kung ano man yung experience na naranasan ko sa Singapore. So I experienced loneliness, umiiyak sa bus stop kasi namimiss ang family. Papalakasin ka niyan eh. Every part ng life mo is a lesson. Yun yung feel ko. Kung nalagpasan ko yung moment ng ganito in my life, kakayanin ko to. Kung hindi man mag-work out, again, think of it as it's a lesson.